So in the salad we have pickled mustard leaf, some kimchi, cucumber, tomato, pear, spring onions, coriander, and some gem lettuce, sesame oil, bit of salt, and a bit of just tiny bit of sugar just to highlight it. I just want to try different kinds of meat. It's really, to be fair, meat in the UK, most places are quite boring. And having tried all this meat when I was traveling, I just thought I want to do something more interesting with the meat. And try different cuts. They grow sometimes same breed, but different environment, different feed, and they taste different. For example, this iberico pork is famous because they are fed on acorns, so they got a special nutty flavor on them. Iberico pork bellota has been marinated in my special sauce. Oh yeah, this pork it's perfectly fine to eat pink. Okay, so medium rare.
Whoa, look at that. Guys. Sorry, my fault.
And mind your hair.
Oh, no, sorry. No, no, no.
Wagyu.
Yeah. If it's in a bag, I'll just eat it all day.
I love it. It's good. Only if there's more sun, I can do this whole day actually. Barbecue is so much fun. Like cooking on charcoal is so much challenge. The hard thing is keeping the fire alive, but you don't want it to be like flaming. Yeah, but yeah, anyone should try it. Yeah. Look at that dog.